Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to make a pot that can also be used as a vase. I love its texture, stylish look, and I think it'll be a great addition to your home decor. Here are what you'll need. Concrete mass I showed in this video, water with brush, balloon, a spatula, and paints for decorating. First, pour the concrete into the balloon. It's a good idea to place the balloon in a cup or on a stand and tape it down to keep it stable. I didn't do this at first and it was tricky as the balloon kept rolling around. The process is simple. Apply the concrete mass evenly around the balloon using the spatula. Aim for a wall thickness of about 2-3 centimeters. Make sure to cover all areas well. If some concrete falls off, just push it back on. Once you've done, let the vase dry for 24 hours. After it dries, it's time to refine the shape. Use the spatula to smooth out any bumps. And form the bottle so it stands properly. You might need to add more concrete mass to make it stable. Now for the fun part, adding texture. I was inspired by seaweed, so I created random wavy straps using my fingers. Use water and brush to help stick the details to the vase. Smooth out any rough spots with the brush and water. Let the vase dry for another 48 hours. After it dries, carefully remove the balloon. You can pop it or untie it to reuse it if possible. Look at our beautiful vase. Use sandpaper to smooth out any rough areas and make the bottom even so it doesn't wobble. Now it's time to paint. I used sea green, warm green, and brown. Start with the sea green, then add the warmer green, and finish with the brown. Use a spray bottle to blend the colors together. Let the paint dry, then apply protective coating. I used wood varnish inside for extra protection. Our vase is ready. Look at how textured, stylish, and beautiful it turned out. I hope you enjoy this project and that it adds a lovely touch to your home.